Sanibonani, igama lami uMbalenhle Mazibuko, ngihlala eKatlehong. Namhlanje ngizonixoxela ngokuthi ngathola kanjani i-accident, ngafaka insimbi and then ngiphila nge-mini boots for the rest of my life.
Sanibonani molweni, welcome to another episode of TVC Gauteng. Igama Zamambo Mkhize, owaziwa ngoZamzukwana Closet on the social streets. Siyabonga emakhaya for liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing to the channel. I-channel iyakhula and it's because of you. If you'd like to share your story with us, you can contact the number on your screen. Namhlanje ke sivakashela usisi ozosixoxela kabanzi about her life-changing story. Unjani Thela?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiyaphila. So please take us through the day that kwenzekele event eyenzakala that changed your life.
Okay, i-accident iyenzeke nge-2 zaka-April 2023. When I remember properly, like bengaplananga ukuthi le nto izoyenzeka, but ke because of yenzekile. So ngila ngafonela umngane wami bambiza uThato Hearts. Ngathi kune event eJimston. It was an all-white party, yabo. Ngathi mina awukhalela ukuthi siphume kancane yabo. Kune all-white party eJimston indawo yakhona bayibiza rooftop. Tato was like, no, I don't have plans. Like, let's go, yabo. Like, I just show more, yabo. And then fine, samba sithu sabholtha sayakhona. Masifika sathenga vele tutu yabona. Sathenga ukudla sahlala kwaba mnandi. I think that was an event because bukhona nabo Kenny Kunene. Nabo Skim GP, yabo. So behleli nabo vele ukuthi bes right, behleli nabo and stuff, okay. And then one of our friend called bambiza uZandi. Wasifonela wasibuza ukuthi nikuphi yabo ngibhorekile. Samtshela ukuthi ayisila eJimston yabo. Athi ngikhalela ukuza ngithi hayi okay akuna stress. Ngimbuza ukuthi uzana ubani yabo. Uthi hayi ngiza nomunye guy. Ngithi hayi ungizi nabo guy la because thina sihleli nabantu aba right. Don't come with any guy. Wathi hayi no uzongikhapha ngishiya ngaphandle, okay sharp. Wafonela uguy weza vele wamlanda. And then makafika i-rooftop wafona vele uthi hayi guys sengikhona, okay siphume vele. Ngithi ukuthatha imulade yabo sharp. Makamlanda i-rooftop ama steps, so waya phansi wayimlanda vele wakhuphuka naye. So ugirl was like okay ufuna ukungena phakathi yabo. Uthatha yamtshela ukuthi hayi sikujile ngathi uguy angangeni la yabo. Wathi hayi uzothola thunyana lena hama sharp. Hayi akhuphuke no guy. Ngimbizela side ngithi hayibo manje ungibizeleni manje uguy yabo. Uthi hayi uthi ufuna uhlala for 2 minutes then uyaphuma. Okay sharp. Fine, ahlale nathi vele nabo Skim GP nani. So I think uguy yakwadi ukuthi ugirl uhleli nathi and uthehlela kuphi ku VIP and uhleli ayi1. Fine, ngithi hayi ngizala hamba na kumuntu wakho yabo because the way asibheke ngakhona nathi vele asisathandi yabo. Kanti vele uguy sekakwatile ukuthi uhleli nathi and uyazibuza ukuthi manje lamadoda agcwele la abobani yabo. Ngithi hayi ngizala awumnake kancane yabo ugirl ayi vele athi hayibo alright nani. Iqali fight lapho. Guy ya ngenza islima wayungiletha lana uhleli nabafana nani yabo. Ngithi ugirl ayi yazini ngcono baphumela ngaphandle bayokhuluma le conversation because like kunomsindo yazi ukhuluvini ukuthi kunjani kunomsindo anizwakani kahle yabo, but you can tell ukuthi these people like they wanna fight. Ngithi ukuthatha hayi bathi ngoba ekanhle fine baye ngaphandle, okay 1 hour yashaya man hayi ngihleli ngiyiwani manje yabo. Ngizibuza ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani yabo. Ngifonela uThato wetsa la bathi babalwana bashana ngamabhodlela phansi. Okay sharp. Ngithi isiras vele lifight sayi isiras ngifethe anything nasicabanga ukuhamba yabo. Kirayi bahlwele bathamaye because baze bayi2 anything nasisiyi2, you understand. Thato tsaya gatsamaye re lokushini yabo. Ngibe like ngihambi. Ngithi okay it's fine. Ngiyehle vele nama stepsini. Mangifika ngibabuze and then inwelani hayi uguy uthi mina hey ngitshona labafana naba nani. Ngithi ngitshila uguy yabo. Ngithi hayi mana akajoli man sihleli yabo into njalo. Nathi no niphuza ama extra pairs lapho niphuza ama vev nani. Ngithi no basithengelile asange sibacele, you understand. Okay sharp uguy wathi hayi ngcono sihambeni. Ngithi ukuthi hayi a request yabo ukuthi hayi akhatha mayenke. Okay sharp manje baloko bayalwa uyabo. Ngithi yazini ngizohlala phambili mina umngane amahlala emuva. Okay fine. Ngithi uguy siphuzile ne but asiphuzanga lokhu manje lokudaka ukuthi asisabone nendlela and stuff. Ngitshele uguy ngithi yazini ngicela ukuthi uphume ngeJimston Lake because bese Jimston. Uguy wathi no ngifuna uphume nge-N3 freeway. Ngiyambona manje ukuthi indlela a drive ngayo. Ngithi la uzosifakela ingozini, but I was like you know what, let me just not be negative. Fine, ukusizela la ngokwenzakaleni fake seatbelt umngane amhlele emuva uThato uhlele emuva. Okay sharp. imoto yahamba sindlule ebridgini vele hayi ngiyambona ugayishaya imoto man yabo singisaba nokukhuluma phela ngihleli phambili phela ugaya kaJohn nami John umngane wami so yabo mase ngikhuluma kakhulu uzosho ukuthi hayi manje lona why manje yabo ngitshela ugaya ngithi ngicela ukuyibamba kancane noma driver ngo20 sizofika la siyakhona yabo asaha ubani wena uzotshela mina ngemoto yami uyakwazi nani ukudrive ngithi ngiyakhona ukudrive yabo ugaya wathi like I'm not allowed ukuthi umuntu asebenzise imoto yami okay sharp imoto yahamba vele ugeli ulele emotweni vele ulele ke gayishaya imoto mase sifika e-freeway because iphume nge-freeway ngase Albany so vele suki freeway eya eKathoras fine ugaya uyadrive maka driver ngithi kuye yo hayi ngathi so ngiyathela kakhulu yabo asingazongitshela wena yabo ngisho ukuthi yabona namhlanje vele umuntu uzolimala ngaba nabantu aba-wrong la you understand okay sharp ngibe nalento ukuthi hayi ayikho into ezenzakala man gele relax fine shaya imoto mashaya imoto uyabona ukuthi seyaspeed and like it's 2 a.m. in the morning and there's a truck like isilandelayo at the back yabo you guys shaya imoto vele ngimtshela ngithi uyayibona le truck ezayo umuva uthi hayi ngiyayibona ngikhuluma isiXhosa mfana khona ngiyayibona okay sharp he got distracted by the truck ashaye ibheral so he can't control the car anymore so makashaya ibherali imoto yenzeni iwele ngale not knowing ukuthi masiwela ngale siwela ebridgini kune-bridge and kune-construction so okay fine okay la avuke makavuka uyayazi sound truck njani pop because I still remember like pop and then guy waba like wathuka naye waluza i-control sawela at the bridge masiwela iwa eside lami because obviously imoto ihamba ngapha iwela ngapha so bona bazowela phezu kwami ishaye ibherali okay it's fine see like irole so my look irole I can see ukuthi siya esihlahleni like I can see everything screen is creakile the driver and the girlfriend baphume ngaphandle ibakhafulile kusele mina with my friend uThatho fine ngikhohliwe ukuthi sibelt so iyangihama so I had bruises like la so iloku iyangihama yabo okay yawi imoto yashaya phansi mayishaya phansi ibheke phezulu amavili like inhloko zethu like we are upside down now fine then I pass out because ngishawe i-airbag yangishaya la and then ngaba like yabo ngapass out so i-accident ithole ngo2 ekseni so around 4-5 kunalo moyo obandayo yabona lo wasekuseni lo obandayo ngiyezwa manje ukuthi hayi mina singiyagodola so when it happened I thought maybe I was dreaming ngiyona mawuphupha like ube like uyawa but ube yavuka ukuthi yo cishe ngawa but I was like no this is real like ngithole accident fine so udriver usesihlahleni ule ugel ule sele mina noThatho inyawo lakhe lila inyawo lakhe fine so ngizwe uZandi my friend athi mama kabafana I'm like no that's my son's name ubani ngibiza ngomama kabafana ngiphaphami ngivuke mangivuka ngithi hayi man sule accident mosla iserious musinendaba le okay fine ngizama ukumove but I can't and then my leg yasalela emuva so immediately imoto mayirola my ankle yasalela emuva which is yahlepuka yaphuma esiporweni yabo fine ngibuzo uThatho usharp yochumi akikhona umove like lonto la ka le dutse mo you understand kiri okay re tlo etsa jwang we try to open the car it's locked okay fine since njani like akunamuntu osibonile siwile cabanga u2 siphaphame ngabo ma4 singizwe ukuthi sengiyagodola manje bo ngitshela uThatho kiri usharp akake sharp like yapinelwa lento laka I can't feel my leg kiri now it's I can't feel my leg wetsalang kira limits yabo luckily those guy abasebenza e-construction bangena ngo5 shithi bayachintshana I think khona bangena ngo6 kina bangena ngo5 so bobeza ngetruck bathi hayi man kunabantu abalimele lapha basibuza ukuthi ni right sis no sithole accident nanani ngitholile usizo sis no asikakalutholi nifonile ambulance no amaphoyisa no ayikho into eyenzekile at the moment wathi okay fine ithi ngifonele i-ambulance ayikhona ukusithola like siwe bridgeini sisesihlahleni like nje sisesigangeni like literally sisesigangeni okay ambulance mayifika iqale uThatho ugel because ugel limele kakhulu because inyawo lakhe behleli la waya e-BBH and then mina bangisa eJimston because bathi mawuthole accident abanisa endaweni e1 I don't know why so uguy waya eNetcare because une medical aid and then my friend lo munye akalimelanga waya eThele mina ngaya eJimston and then uThatho waya eBBH Okay, while we were still in the car, they can't open the car. They had to cut it into pieces. Ukuze bakhona ukusikhipha, and then wayefika ambulance basifaka ama-drips, but mina benganama-veins, so they had ukuthi bangihlabe, then ngeke bamfake i-drip because we were in pain. Phela ithambo maliphumile vele esiporweni, like upeyinelwa kakhulu. Sharp, while we were still in the car, there's a lady coming, ufake igown. So ufonelwe insurance imoto yakhe. So apparently the guy is married.
My God.
So makashade kanjalo shuthi uchomi obvious side chick, you understand. Fine. Uyabuza, where's my husband? Ngikhoza uThado yabo kirego. Bamtshela your husband usenetk yabo. I said this is my car. Apparently imoto kaGeli.
Yeah.
Usengimoto mfazi. And thina sazi. And wesipha mina ngihleli phambili ke. Maybe yasho ukuthi yo yeah shuthi uye lo business into yami nani. Only find out asiyimi. Sharp bamtshele vele bambuza number plate nani. Athi yeah imoto yami le. But funny enough azange asilwise because ubonile we were in pain and they were dragging us like outside the car. Yeah, bafaka ilona. So maybe we were emotional ukuthi abanye abantwana balimele. But luckily azange sishone because it's paramedics my figure. They were like hayibo akunamuntu oshonile la. Like imoto beyinjani. Yo beyinjani imoto. Like we don't believe ukuthi like singaphila sonke because immediately paramedics my figure bathi kushona abantu abengaki like hayi akushonanga umuntu lo bhuti was like akushonanga umuntu uyabona le moto ipotshoke kanjani niyabona ukuthi ebridge nina hayi shima abantu bakini shoot bayanthanda fine ngene ambulance ngifike eJimston mangifike eJimston ngifike around 6 in the morning bangifika benze x-ray or lamanglalisi because the lady wathi kuzoba buhlungu I'm going to twist you bafuna ukubona ukuthi maybe ibhingekile or in angitwist makangitwista ngiyenze x-ray athi sisi uphukile like uphukile hayi indaba eganga uphukile and udinga i-operation but funny enough thina asina ama specialist so we're going to transfer you to Italy ukuthi bakhona uku-operate mind you ifone iwelele accident scene 2 days abangitholi yithi umbali uphi like no way to be found nami no girl naye luckily ugirl lo bekasethela akalimalanga kakhulu wakwazi ukuthi reach ama females wethu vele ukuthi yabo yeah so mina mangiphuma ngeambulance babangitransfera nya ethele ngithi bayangena bathi hayi lo muntu uqeda ukuphuma nilandeleni usethele mangifika ethele akunamibhede leli phasishini hayi bathi girl uzohlala 3 days lana e-ward 17 kugcwele baningi abantu abaphukile bokuyi-weekend abantwana bathola ama-accident so uzancenga nje la ephasishini hayi ngahlala ephasishini mind you angikhoni ukuhamba inyako liphukile ngifake isimende ngaba nge-wheelchair so mele bangiphushe uya etoilet mele bangigibelise umbhede wakhona ungaka ngithi so bazama ukuthi bawehlise phansi ngakayenza operation ngayenza iningi okay family yami yeza la I think bengilimele vele ngincedwe i-tissue oil like ngikhwayekile la then bafike bangibuza ukuthi kenzakaleni ngabatshela vele ukuthi hayi uGuy bekaspeeda nani mama uyamazi uGuy ayi angimazi mina yabo izinto enjalo baloku babuza nama information kanjalo ukuthi amazi umuntu osona so no angimazi okay 3 days ngaya ewodini mangifika ewodini still operation angikhona ukuyenza because ngelanga bathatha 3 uya e-theater and mind you phela mina ngifike nini already kunabantu so I had to wait for all these people to do the operation and ngiyapeyinelwa like ngiyapeyinelwa bebangifaka like injection for 4 hours ukuthi ngilale ipain and then ngivuke futhi kanjalo and then ngaye e-theater mangiya e-theater ekseni ngahlala the whole day because usually bathatha 4 mina beku number 2 they had to cancel lama theater mine because operation yami ithatha isikhathi ithatha 8 hours because it's an ankle so I don't have an ankle bone yami ishiftile so bayibuyiselile but still it doesn't make any difference so bafaka insimbi ngalala lo 8 hours bangihlaba injection emuva i2 emqolo then ngadoza off bangenza operation and then mangivuka I was in pain like yo le pain le angikhona ukuunderstand ngize ngahlanza negazi like immediately mangivuka ngahlanza igazi bangathenda okay sharp ngayewodini mangifika ewodini udoctor wathi nginganyatheli if I want to go to the toilet I must use a walker yabona le walker le yabo mkhulu yeah don't use a crash fine nakho ke mina ke sengikhohliwe phela ukuthi kumele ngisebenzise i-walker nakho nge toilet kade ngizonyathela inyawo ibandage seyigcwele igazi. So they had to open the wound to check what's happening. So doctor was like, what do you do? I told you, uthi mawuye toilet, don't use inyawo zakho, use a walker or a wheelchair. Ngitho mina I forgot. Fine, but ngicela nifake cartridge, which is lumcham angasaphumi empedeni. Bachacha iwundi, then bacheka bayenza ngama-cloth, bayenza. And then the doctor came to me, wathi kimi uyazi ukuthi ulimele kangakanani. I'm like, yeah, I know, as you don't have an ankle bone. So basically uphuke i-ankle bone. So it's gonna be 50%. Uzoba right, laying 50% ayikho. So it's either siyalkhatha,
inyawo, the entire foot.
yes,
Okay.
it's either siyalkhatha or you're gonna live with pains forever. Like for the rest of your life, you will drink medication for the rest of your life. So ngiyacabanga ulikhatha. I was like, I know it's fine. I said, are you sure? Because remember, it's an ankle bone. You don't have an ankle bone. Awunathambo. Insimbi. And you know with insimbi yakho it's a lifetime. Because there's a 5 years, there's a 10 years. Yours is a lifetime. You're gonna live with it until. And I think I was 28, because now I'm 31. Whilst do you know this is gonna be a lifetime thing? I was like, it's fine, I'll manage, because it's painting but it hits different. Fine, bank discharge. I think it's better for 2 months. Yeah, and then physio yes, abazongtrainer. Physio mayifika, makumele ngihambe nyawa, iba dizzy, but akahambi lo, uhlala endlini. Ngahlala 2 months, ngathi yazi ngihlale ngize ngibe right. Fine. I discharge bangipha amakhashizi, baze ngihambe physio nani. So manje mangihleli endlini ngiyakhumbula ukuthi udoctor 10 50% insimbi lifetime. So bengasadli kahle esibhedlela because of ipain nani. Bengihlezi ngimamela ipain like ngize ngathenga lamapilisi a strong like abona ukuthi yazi lawa akushaya 4 hours buthongo. Bengasadli kahle ngaluzi weight. Now that iminyaka iyahamba, now I need to accept the situation ukuthi you know what girl, you are like this. Kahle sengifola under a disability. You understand? I can't work, I can't do anything. And then bang draftela disability letter. So ngikhola i-grant even for inyawo. So now mangiya ku check up ngiza ama x-ray every 6 months, but check ukuthi insimbi ihleli kahle nani. So bengile I think by January, and the doctor was like, yo, you've gained a lot of weight, so you need to lose weight because usinda insimbi. You understand? So that's a challenge again, like I need to lose weight. Yeah, so we are sure to know you need to go to the gym. So ngiyacabanga ejimini.
Yeah,
so because it's an ankle bone. I don't have an ankle bone. Was no mafika ejimini. Uchele ujim structure actually ukuthi uzokunikeza ama lessons anjani, or take videos ku YouTube ukuthi ankle bone like endangered yabo. Okay, fine. And then they said you're going to use immune boots for the rest of your life. I can't wear shoes, I can't wear sandals, I can't wear amateki, I can't wear heels. Mangifaka isicathulo sinesihende. Ama-slippers, ngama-slippers angikhoni ukuwagqoka. Angikhoni ukufaka amateki, namateki amaningi angikhoni ukuwagqoka, angikhulumi ngamayili ke.
So not even one side, you can't wear itekeli one on the other side and then
yeah, I can, but I'm saying like both.
Yeah, okay.
Slippers, yeah. So, but immune boots, I only wear it when I go a long distance, maybe in a mall. Okay. But I can't even reach a mall because ngisheshe ngikhathale. Like when mall nyama kancane for 5 minutes. Then like kunzima for me, like it's very hard. I don't wanna lie. I drink medication. Things ngiphuza ne chronic medication. Imagine yama pain. Every 6 months ngiya esibhedlela landa chronic medication. I go physiotherapy. Bazamile kulula but kuyafana. So now I remember ukuthi uyalikhatha or so mina ngidecide ukuthini ngizophila ngepain. So now it's been 3 years ngiphila ngepain for the rest of my life. Since ngiacceptile. Mangiceda ukudla ngiphuza ipilisi eli-1. Mangilala ngiphuza ipilisi eli-1. And one thing about insimbi iyalokha. So my locker, it's hard for me ukuthi ngihambe. I need to exercise it so that it was balula. You understand? And then immune boots ngifaka every day. Mangihamba vele. Mangihamba ngicathulo. Yo, ngihamba kancane kanjani. Ungaze ungishiye. So immune boot, it helps me ukuthi to walk faster. You understand? Yeah. So like kubuhlungu man, kubuhlungu. Lento eyenzekile ibuhlungu, yeah. Ibuhlungu phila ngamapilisi. Insimbi nje nayo makubanda. Yo, yeah, like it's hard. Like lempilo ngikhethile, sekuyimpilo yami forever. It won't make any difference. Noma makathi ngithola imali or ini, it won't make any difference. Ngisasenensimbi, you understand? So sometimes nokuthi maybe ngiye kuma-net care hospital ngibuze like udoctor wamathambo ukuthi is it possible ukuthi ngayikhipha or ini because like lento iyangilimaza like immediately mangima kuyabona iyakukhumbuza ukuthi ulimele like I just want to forget like I just want to wake up ngizihambele ngibe like ngikhohle ukuthi hayibo ngifaka insimbi you understand so but ke it's a lifetime thing ngiphila ngayo and I've accepted the fact that angisekho right. So yeah, that's my life basically.
So a lesson that you've learned from all of this, njoba so phila manje ngensimbi, what is it?
Okay, a lesson engiyifundile number 1 indaba ye-accident ngabe nabantu abarong. Ngesikhathi wrong because these people that like they are my friends but not closely. Abantu engikhuluma nabo uyabona like they are friends labo uhamba nabo lapho. Khona abangani ukhuluma nabo. So these people basically they were not my friends. So I think this accident happened ngesikhathi wrong. Nabantu aba wrong. I don't know and ukube akasasebenzi because mangithi ukube like ayisasebenzi ukube iseyenzekile already. I just need to accept and the fact is labantu bengihamba nabo abalimelanga udriver and the girlfriend abalimelanga ulimele mina nomngani wami so I feel like it's fele amanyala wabo you understand or maybe if bebahamba boyithu maybe kube bashonile you understand or maybe I don't know man like I have a lot of questions and asking myself ukuthi kube I felt like maybe amphoyisa elibayosimisa yazi maybe sayoboshwa for lelo langa sayolala lapho saphuma ekuseni but ke iyenzekile yeah
I'm sorry for this like I didn't think ukuthi is serious ngale ndlela le
because now people are asking me uphola nini now I'm even
sekumele explain ko wonke
I don't have an ankle bone like anginathambo guys
ngiyaqala ukuyizwa nama ngishona abantu bayabuza ukuthi umuntu makathana na ankle bone
so people always ask me hayibo when accident at 3 years back wena namanje ngokapholi like I'm even scared to say guys I don't have an ankle bone what is an ankle bone guys anginathambo basically anginathambo ngiphila istory saka Sibahle umntana ka Mamkhize it's the same thing naye walimali ankle ufake immune boots for the rest of her life you can see her Instagrams videos maka gym ufaka lona maka yoma event ufaka lona everywhere she goes ufaka lona you understand sengisaba nokuyeshaweni because mangimi isikade eside you understand ngikeza fast then ngiyaphuma
yeah no I'm really sorry and I hope emakhaya you've learned guys from the story you know we all go through different experiences and it's unfortunate ukuthi umbali njoba shilo ukuthi bekasendaweni wrong nabantu aba wrong but with all that said sicela ke ni like and share ni comment and subscribe thank you for watching